All right, let's do some synthetic division of polynomial functions. All right, so in this case, we are dividing by an x minus 3. It's 1x to the first power out here. So this tells us we can use synthetic division. That was 2x or x squared or x cubed or something like that. You would not want to use synthetic division, even if the directions tell you to. All right, so since we're dividing by x minus 3, we want to use kind of the opposite sign. Positive 3 goes out in front. Then what's going to happen is I'm going to steal each one of these coefficients, the numbers out in front, and I'm going to put them up above here. So I have 5, -3, and -36. We didn't skip over any powers of x. It went x to the second, x to the first, x to the 0. All right, so I didn't need to put any placeholders up above. From here, our process goes that you're going to bring the first number down. 5 comes down. Then we're going to multiply, and it's always multiplied by this number we put out in front. So 3 times 5 is 15. That result goes here. Then we're going to add vertically. So -3 plus 15 makes positive 12. Back to multiplying. So 3 times 12 makes 36. Now we add -36 plus 36 is going to make 0. Now reading this all off, this last number that came out, that's our remainder, while the rest of this is the quotient. So reading off our result, we can say our quotient for this division turned out being 5x plus 12. It's always a constant for this number that comes up right next to the remainder. And then it's always, you just kind of count up your powers of x. It'd be x to the first power for this first one, x to the second power if we had another digit, and so on. All right, so hopefully this helps out. Our synthetic division on this one worked out pretty nicely because our remainder was 0. We could tack on plus the remainder divided by the divisor at the end. However, when you have 0 divided by something that's 0, and adding a 0 to the end isn't going to improve our solution, so let's go ahead and drop that off. All right, I hope this helps out with synthetic division. It's really not that bad, but you got to get down the process. Make sure you use the right sign on the number that goes out in front. Good luck.